Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we'll be restoring a Game Boy Advance SP 101 Tribal Edition. I've actually never found a Tribal 101 before. I've always seen 001s. So this one was gotten from eBay and it's in very poor condition. There are a lot of scuff marks. I can see a lot of scratches and marks everywhere on the edges. The sticker is absolutely horrifying. The inside decals are surprisingly in good condition. These ones are pretty much brand new, but this one here is marked a little bit. It has a weird horizontal line. I don't know what causes it. I actually can see some screw dents all around here. So these are the screws that are supposed to be holding the motherboard down. This has been opened before. The motherboard maybe has been put back in place with the wrong type of screw. Not only are there scratches on it, but I think some of them might actually be bites. Probably from an animal or a child. But I mean, what's the difference? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reshell it with a Groden shell. For anyone wondering, the kit I'll be using is an iFixit kit. It's got a lot of stuff to open pretty much any device you can think of. And this is not sponsored, by the way. I just really like their products. Please sponsor me though. So yeah, let's begin. I didn't record myself taking the hinges out, but I have a very easy method. I just grab a spudger and I push against the hinge here and there. Then I open up until it clicks in place. I stick my spudger from behind here and take one hinge out. Do the same but from the front here and take the other hinge out. It's very easy. Let's take a look at the shell. So it comes with buttons. There's the battery cover with the screw and clip pre-applied. There are the screws to use with the shell. I recommend using the screws they give you because the original ones can sometimes be too long and they end up making the same bumps that were on the original shell. I'm just going to transfer the shell now and we'll see. Right, so after all of that, here we have the finished result. I left the film on because this is going to be shipped to a viewer who wanted a custom growth on Game Boy Advance. I want the film to be removed by them when they receive it, so they have the screen in the best possible condition for as long as possible, until they basically look at it and ruin it just by staring at it. I'm gonna be grabbing some stuff from here. Let's see, what can we play? Right, so yeah, this is working, and I think it came out pretty nicely. Right, so as usual, please consider subscribing if you like the video and you want more content like this. Maybe also leave a like in that case, and let me know in the comments what you would have done differently, what I could have done differently, and maybe let me know if you like the finished result. Now I'll show you some closer footage of the Game Boy, and then I'll end the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're happy.